Patients are waiting for better medicines. They're waiting for medicines that are safer so that they have less side effects and adverse events. They're waiting for medicines for diseases for which there is no medicine today. They want to live longer lives and they want to live better lives. And the thing that stands between patients and those things is the enormous difficulty of developing new medicines. There's thousands of different cell types and states in the human body. There's 20,000 genes in the genome. There's 10 to the 60 different small molecules with medicine-like properties. There's maybe 20 to the power of 32 possible antibodies with therapeutic-like properties. You can't actually enumerate all these possibilities just one by one. You can do it in a lab for sure. You can't do it with the entire human population on the face of the planet. And you can't even do all of it on a computer. And because the space is so big, because the challenge is so vast, we cannot simply rely on our ability to do experiments. People are really smart, but we are not infinite. We need extra help, and generative AI gives us this extra help.
We've had a great relationship with AWS to build a research agent that is really fit for purpose for our scientists across Genentech and across so many different disciplines. Working together with Amazon Bedrock, we've been able to build links to relevant databases so that we can query them. So a typical scientific workflow will start by looking through a particular database, then a second, then a third, typically applying a particular computational method to analyze that data. What an agent in principle allows you to do is to automate this process. Until relatively recently, tools such as generative AI have really been the preserve of computational scientists who had the expertise to execute them. One of the things that I'm especially excited about, however, through the development of tools such as autonomous agents, is the ability to democratize access to data sets, to computational tools, so that they're accessible to scientists who have maybe got less computational background, but who through interacting with an agent in a really iterative and coherent way are able to take advantage of these tools and use that to directly accelerate their research.
We are putting the amazing capabilities and knowledge of AWS, both around autonomous agents and LLMs themselves, but also around how data and the cloud and tools operate. And in this, the agent really gives us an unbelievable boost in the work that we're trying to achieve. They are able to reason. They know information. They have memory of past events. They can execute actions. And they can do some of this work. One of the reasons we're really excited about agents is that we actually believe that they help our scientists do better. They can't replace our scientists. They actually boost our scientists. The really cool part happens when you let the agent and our top performer scientists work together. Then they perform together far better than our best scientists. And that means that our best scientist is now a better version of themselves. We make our people able to see things they couldn't see before, and we give our people time to use their unique and very special brains to do those things that only humans can do. That brilliance, that creativity, that pushing to the limit that is decidedly and uniquely human.
Of course, the ultimate benefit of this is that we're able to identify targets and to design studies that are going to get medicines to patients faster. And that's really the core of our mission here in Genentech.